In this trick, your puppy learns to step on a tap light to turn it on or off. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your tap light is set securely to the ground so that the puppy can't move it around. We're going to again use the shaping method to teach this trick. So our first step is going to be to just point and tap the light. Good, and click any interaction the puppy has with the light. That interaction becomes the smallest baby step in shaping. Good, very nice. So whether it's a nose touch or a paw touch, you're going to click that. Get it? Good, very nice. Now if your puppy is reluctant to approach the light at all, you might try coaxing him over by putting a little treat on top of it and click the moment his nose touches the light. Get it? Very good, nice job. Let's try that with some other puppies. Get it? Nice job. Try it again. Good, very nice, good job. Get lights. Good. Lights. Lights. Good. Lights. Good. Okay. And then over here. Come here. Lights. Good. Great job. Good. Okay, over here. And lights. Good. A common problem is overexuberant puppies who scratch at the light. Our next step is to refine our puppy's behavior so he's purposefully stepping on the light rather than nosing it or scratching it. Once your puppy is doing well nose touching the light, good, it's time to up the ante and ask him to touch it with his paw instead. So this time, instead of rewarding a nose touch, don't click until you get a paw touch. Very good. Your puppy will be nosing around and probably get frustrated sooner or later and try and scratch it with his paw. Click that. Can you do it again? Good job. Let's recap this trick.